watching. Thank you so much, Myfirstwig, for sending me this. This is their kinky straight unit, and the length 20 or 22. I will make sure to leave all the details down in the description box. Here's a quick look at what the wig looked like originally when I got it and straightened it. Really, really nicely textured, pretty straight to the point. So definitely hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to show you a really quick tutorial of how I got this style, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's get right into the video. Of course, this is from Myfirstwig, as I stated before. This is their kinky straight unit, of course. It did come with lightly bleached knots. I did actually go back in to bleach them myself. It is a full lace wig, so you're able to literally part this completely straight towards the back, across any way that you please. The only thing with the full lace wigs, of course, the parting usually is a little bit lighter than what your actual scalp is. So nevertheless, it still is a frontal, 360 frontal, more so than a full lace, I would say. But anywho, this is exactly what it looks like. As you can see, it does have a very natural hairline. I did go in and just kind of tweeze the hairline just a little bit. I did create some little baby hair, which you can barely tell, but it helped with the blending process. And I just laid the wig down with some Gotta Be glue spray. So just literally the hairspray. That's it. As you can see, it looks really, really natural. To me, this looks like some natural, maybe texlacked hair, if you was to just blow it out and then straighten it, or if you were to blow it out and straighten it. But yeah, so I wasn't really sure what style I wanted to do at first. I really have been feeling the, you know, the kind of half up, half down thing. So I ended up deciding on that, as you can see. And straightening this hair out, it was not really much trouble. I've had some kinky straight textures where no matter how much heat I put on it, it still has that kind of like kink to it, but this literally straightened with no problem. I straightened it with the FHI flat iron, the 2-inch one that I pretty much use in almost every single video. This is what I'm using now to curl actually, but it was no problem. I think I straightened it on either 400 or 450, either or. And as you can see, it's really textured, has a lot of shine and sheen to it. It's just a natural luster. Like, to me, this wig literally mimics my natural hair when I straighten it out. So you guys did a great job on this wig. And then just the hairline itself, the way that this lace melted into my skin, it was a transparent lace color. So that was perfect. It didn't have that dull texture, or I guess dull tone to it. Literally melted into my skin. Like, literally no problem, y'all. So I've been getting so many compliments on this wig. If you guys did not know already, I usually resell the units that I make, or more so review for these companies and things like that. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig, you know, obviously there's only going to be the one, but you can check out foreverchrissie.com for additional wigs, or you can just contact me directly. This probably will eventually be on the site as well. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just throwing some really, really juicy curls in this, and it's late, y'all. I'm sorry if I kind of sound like, but it is late, and I'm recording this voiceover. Why? I don't know. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and the hair did not shed too bad. Now, as I started to straighten the hair, I did get quite a bit of shedding. It wasn't anything that was like unmanageable. It was very annoying though. I don't know that the hair was shedding because I was straightening it. I think it was more so shedding because, of course, I had tweezed like the frontal part of it, so that could have just been like shed hair, you know, that came out or whatever. So nothing too crazy. Alright, and then as you can see, I'm just flipping everything to the back, and the hair was really, really bouncy. The last kinky straight unit that I reviewed, I wasn't sure. I think it was like kinky straight bundles or either an entire wig. I'm not sure. I have to look back. But I did end up like cutting layers in it, and because the hair is really kinky and textured, the layers can come off really, really blunt. So I decided to just leave it long, so that way, you know, I could definitely wear it, I guess, in its natural texture, and, you know, do middle parts, side parts, things like that, half up, half down, without it being like, you know, a shortage in hair and it looking kind of funny. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is, especially knowing that I'm not gonna keep this wig, and this will eventually be for sale. So you guys can kind of play with it the way that you see fit. So just kind of finger, I guess, going through these curls with my fingers just to kind of get rid of the harsh curls in that look. And as you can see, it did curl just fine. They actually held for a minute. So I wore the wig straight for 3 days, tied it down at night and everything like that. it literally still did not move. When I put that spray on there, I always add like a little bit more than usual just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I even like add some going towards my hairline and things like that, not just in front of it, and it literally stays, so no problem at all, just to make sure that you don't get like water or anything on it. So when you're in the shower, you're going to want to make sure that you cover that up. Alright, and as you can see, did a little quick half up, half down with a little scrunchie here, and that is pretty much it. I think this style is really, really cute, effortless, straight to the point, and yeah, it definitely got the job done, guys. So from here, I think I did go ahead and just kind of play with the baby hair, but as you can see, that lace is no joke. Literally, no joke. So, of course, going in with my mousse, which I don't know why I even did that because it's a wet product. And, of course, it's kinky straight hair. So, it was going to add a little bit of texture to it. I should have just taken, I don't know, some hairspray probably to just go and, you know, lay this little portion down. But not going too crazy with the baby hair. Just doing this in a very natural way. And as you can see, like I said, this literally looks like my hair. If that deep curly unit that I reviewed maybe about 2 or 3 reviews ago is not my favorite unit, this one definitely is. So this would be top 2. Definitely top 2. I'm in love with this. So alright, so that's pretty much that. Let me know if you guys would like for me to do like a giveaway on this unit also, because I definitely have another one very similar to it. It's not from Myfirstwig, but it's very similar. I don't mind like customizing it for you and doing a quick little giveaway. You guys seem to like those a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave any comments or questions down below. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, if you are not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye, babes.